Hey there, welcome to another episode of the Cook With Me playlist. And this is a playlist where we basically cook an entire meal from scratch till the end. So today we are going to be cooking some mokimo ya Njugu, or you can also call it mokimo ya Mbazi, and I'm going to be serving that with some steamed cabbage. With me here I have my potatoes, I have my Mbazi, or you can also call them Njugu, or you can also call them pigeon peas. And I have some cabbage that I've already shredded. I mixed it with some carrots and some coriander leaves. And I also did such a similar recipe about a week ago. You can check that out. And without further ado, let's get started. So we are going to start by boiling our potatoes, and this is such an easy recipe. I'm also going to add in some water. You can add hot or cold. I just happen to have some hot water with me. And I'm going to season this with some salt, a generous amount. Ndivyo chumvi ingie ndani ya potatoes. Then I'm going to cover this and let the potatoes start boiling. Then I'll be back. So in the meantime, let's be prepping our cabbage. I've added about 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then once this is nice and hot, I'll go in with my onions. Then I'm going to saute this till they turn translucent. Then I'll go in with my next ingredient. And now that this is how I like it, I'll go in with my cabbages. And this is a recipe that doesn't take long to prepare, especially for the cabbage. Then I'm going to give this about 2 or so minutes, and I'll be back to adding my salt and taste if they are ready. So you can see that they have already reduced in size. This is the perfect time to go in the salt. Then I'm going to taste if they are ready. This is perfect, just a little bit more salt. That should be okay. So always remember, I always preach, do not overcook your cabbages. So this is perfect, and I'll set this aside. So these have been going on for about 5 minutes now. They are not yet ready, but we are halfway there. So I'm going to add in my pigeon. Then I'll be back once they are almost ready. So you can see that my potatoes are done. They are easily non-decaying, and that's what you want. So it's time to switch this off, then we can start the process. So at this point we are basically going to be breaking our potatoes and just to use whatever works for you. So for me, I'm going to be using this, and that's what works for me. Kama uko na chupa ya soda, you can also use that. Then I'll just do that. So you have to mash everything till everything comes into one. You can see here we have some huge chunks of potatoes. We do not want to see that. We want to see something that is very smooth. So as you can see, most of it it's like 90% done, and that's not bad. As you can see, kuna some small bits of potatoes here and there, but that is totally okay. But make sure you're like 90% done smashing them. So at this point we are good to go to the next step, and this is ready, but we are not yet done. So let's prepare now the flavor. So I'm going to cover this and let's get started on the next process. So this is the final step, and we are going to be making some flavor for our dish. And once this is hot enough, I'll go in with a generous amount, and by generous I really mean generous. So that's about 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, and this totally depends with the amount of mokimo that you have. Then I'll add in some ginger, and at this point you can add what you like and leave out what you don't. I'll be going with some ginger, and this is going to give it some good flavor. So I've added it hapa mbele mbele so that it can cook, because you do not also want to eat raw ginger. You can also use margarine for this stage, or butter as well. Then I'm going to fry my garlic till it's fragrant. So I'll keep stirring it because I do not want to burn it. And now that I can smell my garlic in the air, and you can also see it has changed color, I'll go in with my onions. but these were just a reminder of what I was using. The cabbage. For this recipe, it works best if you have the spring onions. Then I'll also add in my coriander stems, as well as my other onions. And you can already smell all the goodness happening here. So I have already tasted for my mom, and in terms of salt, it's perfect. So I'm just going to season this with a little pinch of salt, and that's okay. So I'm going to fry this till my onions are ready, and we just want them to become fragrant, not really golden brown or anything. And you can see how beautiful they look. And now that you can smell the onions in the air, this is ready to be switched off. And yeah, that was it. So back to our mokimo. So we are going to add in our mixture here. And mix this till everything is well combined. And now that everything is well distributed, I'm just going to taste if it needs any adjustment. Tastes amazing. So let me see you for serving and tasting. And as you've seen, it was that easy. So let's give this a taste test. Though nishakula, and I can guarantee you that you've not tasted anything better than this in quite a long time. So wow, inaingia hadi na huko kwa spinal cord. This is so good. The cabbage is also crunchy, just how I like it. And this, kwanza, the seasoning that you've added towards the end is a game changer. So nimeonja na I can guarantee you that iko na chumvi, inaonja vizuri. This is just a banger. We have to try this out. Now let me serve and go and enjoy my food, and that's pretty much it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. I also hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.